Can you drive with low oil pressure? My hard answer is no. This is one of the few things on the list where the answer is just don't do it. If your pressure light comes on, oil is not properly lubricating your engine's internals, and every second you keep driving is metal grinding on metal. Low oil pressure can come from low oil levels, a failing oil pump, or a clogged filter, or maybe even worn out bearings. Keep driving on this and you risk a full engine seizure, sometimes within minutes. An oil pressure light isn't like a check engine soon warning. It's a stop now warning. If the light comes on while driving, just pull the car over safely as soon as you can. Turn the engine off and then check your oil level. If it's low, topping it off might get you to a shop. If the level is fine and the light stays on, do not restart the engine. Have it towed. The bottom line is, don't drive on low oil pressure. Stop the car and have it diagnosed before doing anything else. It's your man AA Fix. This is another video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm out.